This is Dr. Vittorio Puente. I'm a clinical psychologist, and I'm the author of this workbook, a parent workbook on love, building a foundation for effective social emotional development. Now, I am super excited that this coming Thursday, February 21st, I have the opportunity to present the first chapter from my book to the parents of Ballew Early College. For 1 hour, we'll cover that particular chapter, but it'll be the first of 5 sessions over the next 6 weeks. And for the parents who participate, you'll receive a free copy of my workbook. But for the parents who participate in 4 of the 5 sessions, you will have the opportunity to win a door prize at the end of the 5 sessions. I'm not going to say what those prizes are now, but I will reveal them at the end of the first session. Come on, join us. We'll have refreshments, we'll have snacks, but we'll also have a lot of fun. So please, come on in, 4:15, we'll start promptly, and we'll cover any other questions that you might have. But really, come for the book, stay for the snacks, and we'll have some fun. See you there.